Hello, my name is Jerry Rocco. I'm an independent agent and national director with iZigg Mobile. I'm creating this video so that my customers can get started using the system very quickly and very effectively. And you'll notice I'm logging in at beta.izigg.com. This is where we all log in using the email address or cell phone number that we originally gave iZigg when we got our account. If you forgot it, just go ahead and click Forgot Password using that same information. Once you log into the system, you'll see it's nice, clean, sleek, robust, kind of like email. It'll become more intuitive the more you use it. And the first thing I'd like to do is kind of run through the system just to kind of show you where things are, and then we'll go ahead and create a campaign. Right now we're in the messaging center. There's also a calendar here, and by clicking on that you can see any messages you had scheduled out for the future dates, and by clicking on them you can edit them. There's also an inbox, so you can interactively communicate with your subscribers should they be sending you messages back. And then there's also a reporting tab. And this is important for marketers to see your opt-in, opt-out trends. You can take reports on your subscribers, your text messages, see how many messages you sent for the month. And then of course we have our Manage tab. And this is where you create folders, create more divisions, create more groups, add keywords, create mobile websites, add subscribers or move subscribers. This is where you create templates, and also where you can create extra user accounts like the one I'm using right now to go through this demo with you. It's just really an account out of my main account. So let's go back to the message center so I can explain the organizational tree view that we're in now. And we'll see it says Connect Pro, and most of the time when you get it started, it'll have your new username right here. Now Connect Pro is the name of the product that you probably have. And this is blue because this is a demo folder, but in yours it'll be green. When you open that up, you see usually you have your name, and this will be a division, which is basically a subfolder. And these are used to organize your groups. A group is where you house your subscribers and you attach your keywords to. Now you can create as many groups as you like, and you can organize them with as many folders as you like, and you can create folders inside of folders. And I know this might sound confusing right now, but let's go ahead and start up a campaign so you can see how simple it really is. To do so, we just click Manage, and then we're going to add a keyword. Now we're going to scroll down and find that group, and you'll notice I cannot add it to the division or the organization, only the group. And when I do that, I just go ahead and select the keyword I want to use. Maybe it's the name of a restaurant, XYZ. We'll just call it XYZ and see if that's available. That's reserved. Maybe XYZ Pizza is available, and that is reserved. Maybe XYZ Bagel is available, and that is available. And that's how it works. When somebody uses the keyword, nobody else can use it. So I'm going to go ahead and reserve that keyword just by clicking Save. I have enough I have enough keywords credits to reserve that. And if you only had 2 keywords with your package, you wouldn't be able to reserve another keyword. Next thing we want to do is we want to edit the response message. So if you text XYZ Bagel, you'll receive this message. You can even put a phone number in there, maybe put something like click to call. You can even put a website. And if you had a video commercial on YouTube, you could even put a YouTube video in there. Really, you have 160 characters to make it happen. What you include in there is up to you. What you want to do is also click auto subscribe, because when people text this in, you want them to be added to a list. And you can either paste this same message in here, or you can say, you already got this coupon, or whatever it might be. And if somebody unsubscribes from your list and tries to text back in to get a coupon, they're going to automatically get this because the system remembers them for this particular group. You can also click Notify and put your phone number in here if you want to be notified every single time that somebody opts in. Now to save this campaign is very simple. Just click Save. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out my cell phone and text XYZ Bagel. And there goes the message. My response message should be coming any second now. And there it is. Okay, now I'm going to show you exactly what I did. I took an image from my cell phone and I put in the number 90210. I put in XYZ bagel and then I press send. Immediately after doing so, I received this message. This message about XYZ bagel, 2 for 1 with this text. I can click to call this, I can click to go over to this website, or I can click to go over to this YouTube video, just from my mobile phone. The second message that's received is, thanks for joining the new user group, because we haven't customized that quite yet. And then this is standard, 2 to 4 messages, monthly data rates may apply, reply stop to cancel, reply help for help, and that's for spam compliancy reasons. And this is sent out the first text on every message. And iZigg will take care of this for you. If you need to edit this, just contact support. We can also edit new user group ourselves, which I'm going to show you how to do in just a moment. Let's go back into the dashboard, click on Message Center, and you'll see now there's a 1 here where there wasn't one before. And this is how you do real-time ad tracking. So if you had a coupon out there that said text this to 90210 to receive that in a magazine, you would see exactly how many opt-ins you got from that magazine. And here's that 1 subscriber, and that's me. So we'll go into the address book, select that group, and you can see that subscriber. Okay, so let's go see how to send a message to that subscriber. I can simply check that box there, or I can check the entire folder, the entire organization, or I can just check that group. So if I check that group and I put your name here, and then I put the message in here, and then I schedule this message out for a future date. So maybe it's a doctor that wants to schedule a message out for a future appointment. Select the time zone, maybe minutes before, could even do a repeat reminder, and then you would just click schedule message. But for these purposes, I'm just going to go ahead and send that message right now. So I checked my group, I have my message. Again, I have 160 characters to make it happen. This could even be a link over to a Google map page, so I'd get step-by-step directions from where I'm standing over to a physical location. I could even ask a question like, reply another keyword. But I don't have another one set up, but if we did, let's just say, and now I would be subscribing to another list if I had XYZ coupons. Let's go ahead and send that message right now. You should be hearing my mobile phone go off in just a moment. Message sent. Okay. And there's the message. Now whether that's 1 subscriber like it is right now, or that's 10,000 or 100,000, that message goes out immediately. Out of 100,000 people, 80% of text messages generally are read in the first 5 minutes. So out of 100,000 people or 10,000 people, 8,000 of them grab their phone and read that message almost immediately. So that's very, very powerful. Overall, about 97% of all text messages are open. Okay, so there's 2 more things I wanted to show you in the back office. One is if you'd like to run a raffle, just click on individual, find that group, and if you were advertising XYZ Bagel to win something, now you could just simply put in your winning message, hit raffle, randomly select somebody, and send that message. And if you want to change the name of these groups from, let's say, new user division and new user group, just go underneath manage, find that division, change the name to whatever you'd like, hit save, and now you can also change the name of your user group the same way. Now if you wanted to create another division, another folder, just simply click on either division or the group, and remember you create groups inside of the division. This is the division here, and you just click add group. Like let's say add group, save. Let's go back under the message center and see what we've done. And we've changed the names of these groups. Now that's about it, folks. Now it's going to be really up to you to promote your keyword, and I'm going to have one more video below showing you a couple of examples how others are promoting it, and maybe give you a couple ideas of how you can promote it too. Hopefully you found this video useful. I look forward to working with you. Have a great day.